Dear students of class 6, welcome to today's program Amar Ghore Amar School. Once again, I am with you. I am Syed Firoz Alam. How are you, dear students? I hope all of you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Dear students, today I am going to take a class from English for Today book. It is lesson 19. And today's lesson is an interesting lesson. As you can see the title, Make Your Snacks. Okay. Let's see the learning outcomes of today's lesson. Dear students, after we have studied this lesson, we will be able to read and understand written instructions, read and understand text. So, this is the learning outcomes of today's lesson. In the previous class, I gave you a homework. I told you to write 5 words showing word stress. I hope all of you have done it. Okay. Let's see some picture, dear students. Here you can see some pictures. Do you like it? Yes, I think you like it. Let's see another picture. What is it? Have you ever prepared it? Okay, today you will learn how to prepare it. Let's see another picture. Do you know what is it? Yes, I hope you know it. Okay. So, our today's lesson is Make Your Snacks. Let us learn some words from this lesson. Chili. It means a small, thin, red or green vegetables that tastes very hot. Chop. It means to cut something into small pieces with a sharp tool such as a knife or axe. Ingredient. It means something that is used along with other things to make something. Instructions. It means information that explains how to do or use something. Omelette. It means a food made with eggs that have been mixed and fried, often with other foods added. Stir. It means to move a liquid or substance around using a spoon or something similar in order to mix it thoroughly. Dear students, I hope the word meanings are clear to you. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. Mrs. Nilufar Ahmed is teaching her son Adib how to make easy snacks at home. In this lesson, Mrs. Nilufar Ahmed is teaching her son Adib how to make easy snacks at home. She is reading a set of instructions from a recipe book. First, look at the pictures of the things you will need to make an egg sandwich and match them with their names in the list of ingredients below. Here you can see some pictures. These are the ingredients that you need to make an egg sandwich. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. List of ingredients. Two pieces of bread, cucumber 2 to 3 slices, tomato 1 to 2 slices, butter or mayonnaise, egg boiled or fried, lettuce, and last of all 1 slice of cheese. These are the ingredients that you need to make a egg sandwich. So here you can see the instructions how to make. First one, first take 2 slices of bread, then spread the butter thinly on one side of each slice. Number 3, then put a slice of cheese on the buttered side of the bread. Number 4, after that, put egg on top of the cheese. Number 5, next, arrange slices of cucumber and 1 tomato on the egg. Number 6, later, place the other slice of bread on top. Your sandwich is ready now. If you want, you can cut the sandwich into 2 halves and serve. So dear students, you have learned how to make a sandwich. And if you watch a video, it will be more clear to you how to make a sandwich. Okay, let's move on to our next slide. Here are some hints for you. Number 1, remember to wash and dry all vegetables before preparing them. You have to wash and dry all vegetables before preparing them. Number 2, be extra careful when handling sharp knife. Whenever you are using a knife, you must be careful. Number 3, you may wish to choose a variety of fillings. For example, 4 slices of cucumber, 1 slice of meat such as chicken loaf or meat loaf, mustard, and so on. So if you want to mix any other things or if you want to add other things, you can add it according to your taste. Dear students, let's see an exercise from this lesson. Fill in the blanks and complete the instructions for making a sandwich. Here you have given some blanks. You have to fill in them in order to make a sandwich. Number 1, first, take 2 slices of dash. What should you take here? Number 2, second, spread dash on one side of them. What you have to spread here? Number 3, then put 1 slice of dash. Number 4, after that put dash. Number 5, later arrange 1 slice of dash. And number 6, finally, place the remaining slice of dash on top of another and serve. Dear students, can you guess the answer? Yes, I think all of you are able to guess the answer. Dear students, let's match the answer. In the first blank, you have to use bread. That means first take 2 slices of bread. Let's see the second answer. Butter. Second, spread butter on one side of them. Number 3, then put 1 slice of cheese. Number 4, after that put egg on top of the cheese. Number 5, later arrange 1 slice of cucumber and tomato on the egg. Finally, place the remaining slice of bread on top of another and serve. So dear students, I hope you have clearly understood how to make a sandwich. Let's see a video.